Thikũ ĩmwe tu kuma munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu aikio ngono na kurekererio na mbondi. Mawakiri 32 mauma sheba kung'ethanĩra na mwena wa thitango mbere ya mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi. Wa mbere makirutania gwĩkĩra mũhĩnga Mwilu ndagetĩke thitango iria imung'etheire.
No person except with the leave of the director or with other lawful excuse disclose the details of an investigation under this act, including the identity of anyone being investigated. Now everybody in Kenya knew that the Deputy Chief Justice was being investigated.
The Director of Public Prosecutions, when making this decision, was satisfied that there is sufficient evidence and it is the public interest.
The High Court has stayed these proceedings.
Orengo utongoretie gikundi giki kia mawakiri kihithuria ati mambire kuroka igoti-ini inene kurugamia cira uyu mukurigana nake thitango cia thuguri ya ciringi milioni 12 itirakinya gikiro kia gukumio na uguo akauga EACC na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ni magararite mihaka. Wakiri Okong'o Omugeni niwe utwarire cira uyu mbere ya mucirithania Chacha Mwita.
If you want the file to be brought here, they can make it available now.
Where's the order?
Yeah, with the order.
Where is it?
Yeah, they're being extracted. They're extracting the file. But knowing the urgency of the matter is being held during vacation. They know this. Yeah, and Councillor Omugeni is here.
That is not the case you are dealing with today. That's the wrong number. So these proceedings have not been stayed.
Na riria gikaro giki gicokerie thaa 8 mwerekera wa Chacha Mwita werikana uri na mahetia mudrona ni thitango iria urugamitie na ugo mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi arariria gikaro giki nginyagia tariki 31 wa gatano kiumia-ini giki.
As far as I'm concerned, unless I am served with an order that reads that 8 of 2018, I do not think that this order, if I put it here, will apply to this case, because I also don't want to amend the order of the court. As a court, I cannot amend an order of the High Court. That will also be trespassing in other rigorous areas. I'm only guided, and I can only be bound by an order that is clear and specific. So this order, in my view, does not apply to this case.
And any application that is being made today.
Nona gukire oguo riri ni igutha inene kuri mwena wa thitango amu Mwilu eguthii na mbere gutwarithia na mbere motungata ta munini wa jaji munene kuona agitikiria thitango oguo ni kuga eguikara ari muhohio ta munini wa jaji munene. Ikiuria gia kana Mwilu no eguthii na mbere kunyabara motungata maria agathikirwo ni jaji munene David Maraga kiumia kihituku kiumano-ini kiria kiari kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Maraga ni ugite gutiri undu ugarurukite amu ucio niguo ukoretwo uri wira wake.
But she has been discharging those responsibilities since she came to the office. Okay. Yeah, she's the person who is been performing the position of the judiciary ombudsperson. Okay.
Mwilu athitangirwo mahetia ma kuthira wabici ya muingi gwitogia aikuruhanio na kwamukira ciringi milioni 12 kuma kuri bengi ya Imperial na iria yagũire. Igeria ria mwena wa kwirwo kurugamia cira uria ng'etheire munini wa jaji munene Philomena Mwilu tiraiganu kumukura giterenge-ini niamu cira uria mung'etheire ni murito makiria. Ribotera Kameme TV, Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.